Namaste Gurukulians. Today we are going to continue our chapter 5 decimals, and the topic that we are going to start today is multiplying a decimal. Today we will learn how to multiply a decimal number with a whole number or a decimal number with a decimal number, right? These two types we are going to do. For that I am taking example 19 given on page number 100 of your book, in which you are given that a ball cost rupees 8.75. The cost is in decimal number. And the question asked is, how much will 4 balls cost? So students, the cost of one ball is clearly given to you, that is 8.75. You will write cost of one ball equal to rupees 8.75, and you have to find the cost of 4 similar balls, and it will become 8.75 multiplied by 4. So how you are going to multiply these numbers? You will simply write 8.75 multiplied by 4. You will do the multiplication as a conventional method, that is 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 2 30, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 30. In the answer, that is in the product obtained, you will place a decimal point. Where you will place it? You will see in the question you have given 8.75, which is having 2 decimal places. So you will make the product as a 2 decimal place number, and you will place a decimal at 2 positions moving from the right. So 1, 2, and the decimal point will come at this position. It will be 35.00. So the cost of 4 balls is rupees 35.00. That is 35 exactly. Right? Let's do some more examples. 13.4 multiplied by 6. Simply you will multiply and you will place a decimal point after one position being from the right. Because in the question you are given with a decimal number having 1 decimal point. 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 6 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 804 is your product, and you will place a decimal point at 1 position, so it will become 80.4. Right? Next is, let's do some exercise question, that is exercise 5.10, which is on multiplication. The first question in exercise 5.10 is, put a decimal point at the correct place in the given product. You are given with 8 into 1.2 equal to 16. You have to place a decimal point at the correct position. So how you will do? 8 into 16 is fine. In the question you are given with a decimal number with 1 decimal point. So in the answer you will get a point here, that is after 1 decimal point moving from the right side. Okay. Let's do some more parts. It is 9 into 0.03 equal to 27. Since there are 2 decimal places in the question, so in the answer also you will make a 2 decimal place number, that is you will move 2 positions from the right, and you will place a decimal point here, so it will become 0.27. In the similar manner you are going to do rest of the part of this question. In B part you have to find the product, and in C part again you have to multiply. So I am going to do some parts of this question. This was part A. Now let's move to part B and C. One into 0.2 equal to dash 0.2 into 3. You have to tell, and 12 into 0.1. I am going to solve these 3 parts. 1 into 0.2. 1 into 2 is 2, and you will make 1 decimal place number, so it will become 0.2. 2 3s are 6, and it will become 0.6. 12 1s are 12. Since there is 1 decimal point, 1 decimal place, so product will also contain one decimal place. So you will place the decimal point at one position moving from the right. Therefore, it will become 1.2. Right? Let's do some parts of C part also, in which again you have to do multiplication of decimal numbers. The first part is 7.08 multiplied by 15. So how you are going to do this? You will multiply 708 with 15 and you will place a decimal point at two positions moving from the right to make the product two decimal place number. 8 5s are 40. You are getting answer equal to 10580 and you are going to place a decimal point after two positions moving from the right in the answer. So decimal point will take this position and your answer will be 108.80. Let me do one more part, that is sixth part. 48 into 0.08. In this you will multiply 48 with 8 and you are going to place a decimal point after two positions moving from the right, because in the question you are given a two decimal point decimal number, right? 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, plus 6 is 38. So 384 is your answer and you will place a decimal point at this position, that is you will make a two decimal point number. 3.84 is your answer for this question. Next, D part is solve the word problems. First part is, you can see here, thickness of a mathematics book is 4.5 centimeter. What will be the total thickness of 5 such mathematical books? In the solution you write thickness of one book equal to 4.5 centimeter and you will find the thickness of 5 similar books by multiplying 4.5 with 5, right students? So simply multiply these numbers. You are getting 22.5 centimeter thickness for this question, right? Next is Suraj saves 8.75 every week. How much money will he save in 10 weeks? So you will simply multiply 8.75 with 10. Do it yourself. Next is Jugnu and 14 of his friends went to a fun park. Cost of ticket was 25.50. How much money did they pay for entering the park? Let us do this one. Cost of one ticket is given to you to be equal to rupees 25.50. You have to find the cost of 15 friends because there are 15 total. Jugnu and 14 of his friends have went to this fun park. So, cost of 15 tickets will be obtained by multiplying 25.5 with 15. So, let's multiply these like this to obtain your answer. You are getting 382.50 rupees. That is the total cost of 15 tickets is coming out to be equal to 382.50 rupees, right? So in this way you will solve this. Moving ahead. Now we are going to learn multiplication of a decimal number with a decimal number. in which both the numbers to be multiplied are in decimal form. So example 22 says multiply 1.5 with 0.7. Let's multiply these two. Simply you will obtain 7 5 is 55, 7 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. Now children, please be careful while placing the decimal point. See, in the question you are given with two decimal numbers, so you are going to count the total decimal places. Here it is 1, here it is 1 again, so 1 plus 1 is 2. In the product, the decimal point will be placed after two positions moving from the right. That is, your answer will be a 2 decimal point number. So 1, 2. Here decimal point will be placed and the answer will be 1.05. Let's do some more parts for multiplication of decimal with a decimal. Directly I am moving to exercise 5.11 now. For these, in which a part is put a decimal point in the correct place in the given product. 1.01.2 is given to be equal to 202, and we have to place the decimal point at the correct position. See students, 101 into 2 will give you 202, but considering the decimal points, they are 3 in total, so decimal point will be placed at 3 positions moving from the right side. It will be coming at this point, so the answer should be 0.202. Alright, the decimal point will take this position, that is the third, after third digit moving from the right side, right? Let's do some more parts. 1.6 into 0.5. It is given to be equal to 80. We have to place the decimal point at the correct position. Count the number of decimal places. It is 1 plus 1, 2 in total. So decimal point will be placed here and the answer will be 0.80. In the next part, we have to find the product and multiply. So let's do some parts of these also. The E part is find the product. Point 1 into 1.1. So see students, 11 into 1 will give you 11. And considering the decimal places, it is 2 in total, so 0.11 will be the final product. I am doing 5th and 6th part now. The fifth part is 1.3 into 0.05. So you will multiply 13 with 5. You get me 65, and you will place the decimal point after 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 positions moving from the right, and your answer will be 0.065. Alright. The 6th part is 0.9 into 0.5. 9 5 is 45 simply, and it will be 2 decimal point number, that is decimal point will be placed here, so it will be 0.45. The next is multiply the following. Again, similar steps you will follow for all the multiplications. So you will multiply 52 with 21 to obtain the product. This coming out to be equal to 1092. Alright, and you will count question. It is 1 here and 1 here. So total 2 in number. So decimal point will be placed after 2 positions moving from the right. That is here. So the answer is 10.92. Next I am going to do the third part, 4.9 into 3.6. In this you will multiply 49 with 36 and obtain the result. 9 6 are 6 4 is 24 plus 5 is 29. You are getting 1764 and you will place decimal point here, that is after 2 positions moving from the right. So 17.64 is the required answer for this question. Now I am going to do the 7.8 part also of this question. 7 part is 1.05 multiplied by 1.9. So let's multiply 109 under 5 with 19. You will obtain 1995 and decimal point will be placed after 3 positions moving from the right. So 1.995 is the answer. For 8th part is for 142 into 25. And 3550 is the answer. Decimal point will take this position. That is 2 decimal point number you will obtain and the answer is 13.50. Alright students, so these steps are to be followed for multiplication of decimal numbers. Kindly do rest of the parts yourself, and if you face any problem you can ask in the WhatsApp group or in the Google Meet app, right? So thank you for